Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain the construction of quadrilaterals of 8th class, 3rd unit. Okay. In that first exercise 3.1, in that first question is construct quadrilateral ABCD with AB 5.5 centimeters, BC 3.5 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters, AD 5 centimeters and angle A equal to 45 degrees. Here if you observe, total 5 measurements are given. So to construct a quadrilateral you require 5 independent measurements. So first we have to do rough diagram. Rough diagram means without instruments you have to draw roughly. Okay. So I am drawing one quadrilateral, any shape. Okay. So here angle A is 45. So compulsory we have to take A as the base because angle is drawn here if the base is given. So A, B, C, D I am writing. So I am going to write measurements now. What is angle A here? 45 degrees. And what is AB? 5.5 centimeters is given in the question. BC is 3.5 centimeters and CD is 4 centimeters and AD is 5 centimeters. And angle A 45 degrees. Now I am going to construct original figure. Okay, I will explain with the steps using children. Here first we have to draw the base AB 5.5 centimeters. Okay, so take ruler, 5.5 centimeters you draw. So what is this? This is AB 5.5 centimeters. Next take protractor, angle A 45 degrees you draw. So you can draw angles without using protractor also, but I am using protractor here. 45. Okay, here you are getting. Now join this point. So right, you can draw as big as your wish because this is a ray. Okay, so you keep just X. Now I am going to explain with the steps children first so that you will not get confused. So step 1, steps, first you have draw AB line segment as 5.5 centimeters, right? Next draw ray BX. Here you are drawing an angle. So whenever you draw an angle you write ray BX such that angle A equal to 45 degrees. So here angle A is nothing but 45 degrees. Next, you see the rough diagram. If you see the rough diagram, from B to C you are having 3.5. So wherever you keep the tip of compass, we call it as center, and whatever distance we are taking, we are going to write as a radius. Okay. Now 3.5 centimeters, take radius on the scale, 3.5. So this is 3.5. Now with B as center and radius 3.5, draw an arc. Okay. Next, from A to D it is 5 centimeters children. So with A as center and radius I am taking here now 5 centimeters. With A as center and 5 centimeters I will cut this ray at D. Now this is D you got. Okay. Now I will write steps. What is the next step here you draw? With A as center and radius. How much radius we have taken here? 5 centimeters. Cut AX, ray AX at D. Okay. Next, here from with B as center and radius, how much we took radius? 3.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. Still one more measurement is left over here, that is CD 4 centimeters. So take 4 centimeters radius. From where you are going to draw? Here there is no fixed here. So we should cut with D as center here. With D as center and radius 4 centimeters, cut the arc at C. Okay. Now step I am writing. With D as center and radius 4 centimeters, cut the arc at C. Okay. Now take ruler and join CD. So here you are going to get 4 centimeters and join BC also. So what are the next steps here? Join DCD and BC. Now if you take ruler and measure CD, you will get 4 centimeters, BC also you will get 3.5 centimeters, and this is the given quadrilateral. Second question, quadrilateral BEST with BE 2.9 centimeters, ES 3.2 centimeters, ST 2.7 centimeters, BT 3.4 centimeters, and angle B is 75. So it is also a quadrilateral and 5 measurements are given. So write any shape of quadrilateral here. Okay. Now angle B is given. So take B as a base. Okay. B, E, S, T. So angle B is given as 75, and whatever is given you write in the rough figure. BE how much? 2.9 centimeters, and ES is 3.2 centimeters. ST is 2.7 centimeters and BT is 3.4 centimeters. Okay. Now we are going to construct. So first take ruler. What is the base here? 2.9 centimeters. So 2.9 centimeters you construct. Draw a line segment. Okay. 2.9. So draw. So this is what? BE. How much? 2.9 centimeters. Okay. Next, take protractor. Keep on B. 75 degrees you mark. Here this is 75. So mark a point. Take ruler and you draw a ray. Whenever you are drawing an angle, just you name a ray. Okay. So keep X, Y, any alphabet. Okay. Next. From the figure, with B as center, how much? 3.4 centimeters we have to take radius. 3.4. This is 3.4. So with B as center and radius 3.4, cut the ray BX at T. So this is how much? 3.4 centimeters. Now coming to here, with E as center and how much radius? 3.2 centimeters. So take radius of 3.2 centimeters. With E as center, you draw an arc. Okay. Next, if you see with T, TS is 2.7 centimeters. So here there is no fixed point. So with T as center and radius 2.7. So take radius of 2.7 with T as center and radius 2.7. Cut the previous arc at yes. Okay. Now take scale, join SE and TS. So here if you measure, you will get this 3.2 centimeters and this is 2.7 centimeters. So this is the figure, children. Now I will explain the steps. So slowly, first step is what? Draw line segment BE equal to 2.9 centimeters. Next, you draw an angle. Okay, so draw ray BX. Whenever you are drawing an angle, you should write ray. Draw ray BX such that angle B equal to 75 degrees. Next, what you have done? With B as center and radius 3.4 centimeters, with B as center and radius 3.4 centimeters, cut the ray. What ray? BX at T. Right? Next, what you have done? With E as center and radius 3.2 centimeters, draw an arc. With E as center and radius 3.2 centimeters, draw an arc. Next, with T as center and radius 2.7 centimeters, cut the previous arc at S. Next, what you done? Join TS and SE. So this is the required quadrilateral. Third question. Construct parallelogram PQRS with PQ 4.5 centimeters, QR 3 centimeters and angle PQR equal to 60 degrees. Okay, here three measurements are given for parallelogram. Three independent measurements are required. Okay, so in the parallelogram, coming to properties, children, first property is opposite sides are equal, right? Now here I am drawing parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Now angle PQR means what here? Angle Q. Vertex will be in the middle. So take PQ, I am writing as the base. Here you can write QRPSP like that also, but Q should be on the baseline because angle is given. So angle is given Q as 60. Next, what are the measurements given here? PQ 4.5 centimeters and PQ, this is R, this is S, and QR 3 centimeters is given. And in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So if PQ is 4.5 centimeters, SR is also 4.5 centimeters. If QR is 3 centimeters, then SP is also 3 centimeters. So this is the rough diagram, children. Now we are going to construct actual figure. What is first one? PQ 4.5 centimeters. Take ruler, keep 4.5, draw a line segment. So this is P, this is Q, and it is 4.5 centimeters. Now next angle. Angle Q is how much is given? Take protractor and place on Q. Now here if you see the protractor, the 0 is starting in the upper scale. So 60 is here. So mark a point 60, take ruler, join that, and this is what? Ray, and this is 60. Okay, next from Q to R is how much? 3 centimeters. So on the scale you take 3 centimeters radius with Q as center and radius 3 centimeters. Cut the arc QX at R. So this is 3 centimeters. And from P as center how much radius? 3 centimeters. So same with P as center and radius 3 centimeters, draw an arc. Next, if you see from R and S 4.5 centimeters. So take 4.5 centimeters on the scale radius with R as center and radius 4.5 centimeters. Cut the previous arc at S. So now join P and S and S and R. If you measure, it will be 4.5 centimeters and it will be 3 centimeters. So this is a parallelogram. If you observe in this, opposite sides are equal, right? Now opposite angles also equal. If it is 60, obviously it is 60. Okay. Now what about P then? In the parallelogram, sum of the two adjacent angles equal to 180. So if it is 60, it will be 120. If it is 120, then angle R is also 120. So coming to steps, children, first one, draw PQ line segment 4.5 centimeters. Next, draw ray QX such that angle Q equal to 60 degrees. Next, with Q as center and radius 3 centimeters, with Q as center and radius 3 centimeters, cut ray QX at R. Okay. Next, with P as center and radius 3 centimeters, draw an arc. Next, which one? With R as center and radius, and radius 4.5 centimeters, cut the previous arc at S. Next, join. What you joined here? Join PS and RS. So this is the required parallelogram. Next, fourth question, children. Construct a rhombus MATH with 84 centimeters and angle MAT 120 degrees. Here how many measurements are given? Only two measurements. Two measurements are required for rhombus. How many measurements are required for rhombus? Two independent measurements are required for rhombus. And what is rhombus? A rhombus is a parallelogram in which its adjacent sides are equal. Means in rhombus all the four sides are equal but angles are not equal. Now we are going to construct rhombus. See, rhombus is same like parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In the rhombus, all sides are equal. Now, angle MAT. Here, what is the middle letter? A. Okay. So, MATH. Okay. Now, angle A is given as 120 degrees. And with AT is what here? 4 centimeters. And if AT is 4 centimeters, all the four sides same, because in rhombus all sides are same. So this is a rough diagram we got now. We'll go to actual figure now. Take ruler. Construct MA. How much? 4 centimeters. So this is MA. 4 centimeters. Now take protractor. Keep on A. How much it is? 120 degrees. Which values you are going to take? Upper or down? See, upper, because 0 is starting from here. So 120 is here. It is an obtuse angle. And you people know what is the shape of an obtuse angle. So take a ruler and join this point. You write this ray as X. Okay. Now, from here to here, how much? 4 centimeters. So take ruler. Keep 4 centimeters radius. See, it's very easy, children. With A as center and radius 4 centimeters, cut the ray AX at T. And from here also you draw 4 centimeters. And from here also you cut 4 centimeters because all the sides same in rhombus. Now, this is what? T and this is H. Now you can join MH and HT. Okay, so if 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and angle A is nothing but 120 degrees. So finally we got rhombus. So remember, in rhombus all the sides are equal. Coming to steps. First step, draw line segment MA 4 centimeters. Right? Next, draw a ray AX such that angle A equal to 120 degrees. Next, with A as center and radius 4 centimeters, with A as center and radius 4 centimeters, cut ray AX at T. Next, with M as center and radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc. Next, with T as center and radius 4 centimeters, cut the previous arc at H. Now join what you have joined here, MH and HT. So this is the required rhombus. Next, fifth question, children. Construct a rectangle FLAT flat with FL 5 centimeters and LA 3 centimeters. Actually, to construct rectangle, we require 3 measurements, and one more measurement we can take directly. What is that? In rectangle, all the angles 90 degrees. So each angle in the rectangle is 90 degrees. That we can take. Okay. Now coming to rectangle, opposite sides are equal, and all the angles are 90 degrees. Based on the properties we are going to draw. And you know the shape of rectangle, children? Okay, this is the shape of rectangle. So you can take FLAT, and what is FL is given 5 centimeters, and you can take all the angles as 90 degrees, right? And what is LA? 3 centimeters. If FL is 5 centimeters, then TA is also 5 centimeters, and AL 3 centimeters means TF is also 3 centimeters. And it's very easy to construct, children. So here, take a ruler, draw FL, how much? 5 centimeters, okay? 5 centimeters I am marking, draw line segment. So this is F, this is L, 5 centimeters. Take protractor, 90 degrees, because in each angle of a rectangle is 90. So you can take 90 at F, at L also you can take 90. Right? Now join. This I am joining, and here also I am joining. So you can keep ray X and ray Y. Okay, now from here to here, how much? 3 centimeters. So take 3 centimeters radius. With L as center and radius 3 centimeters, cut the ray at A, and with F as center and radius 3 centimeters, cut the ray at T. So this part is A, this part is T. Got it. We got rectangle now. See, you can join A and T. So you'll get a rectangle. If you measure, you'll get 3 centimeters. It is 5 centimeters. It is 3 centimeters. And all the angles are 90. So very easy to construct rectangle, children. You can take all angles as 90 because the property of rectangle. Coming to steps. First step, draw FL line segment 5 centimeters. Next, key protractor, don't write key protractor and all. Draw FX ray such that angle F equal to 90 degrees. Next, draw a ray LY such that angle L equal to 90 degrees. Next, what you have done? With F as center, and radius 3 centimeters, cut ray FX at T. Next, with L as center, and radius 3 centimeters, cut LY at A. Next, we have joined A and T. Okay, join T A. Okay, so this is rectangle, the given rectangle. Next, construct a square Ludo with LU 4.5 centimeters. Here one measurement is given, enough, and all the angles in a square is 90, same like rectangle. And what is the difference between rectangle and square? In rectangle, opposite sides are equal, but in square, all sides are equal. So I am drawing square here, children. You know that in square, all sides are equal. LUDO. Take all angles as 90, and LU is 4.5 centimeters. If one side is 4.5 centimeters, you take all sides as 4.5 centimeters because in square all sides are equal. Now coming to figure, take ruler, draw LU 4.5 centimeters. So this is 4.5. This is LU 4.5 centimeters. Now take protractor, place on L, mark 90 degrees here, and keep protractor on U, mark 90 degrees. Now take ruler and join these points. So this is rays X, Y. Okay, now next from U to here 4.5. So take how much radius? 4.5 centimeters. With U as center and radius 4.5 centimeters, cut this ray at D, and with L as center and radius 4.5 centimeters, cut the ray LX at O. So this point is D, this point is O, and this is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and this is 4.5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, and join. You got your 2 points OD. So you will get 4.5 centimeters. If you measure, you will get this also 90. So this forms a square. Now coming to steps, children. First step. Draw LU line segment 4.5 centimeters. Next, draw LX, ray LX, such that angle L equal to 90 degrees. Next, draw ray UY. So whenever you are taking angle, you should write as ray. Angle U as 90. Next, with L as center, and radius 4.5 centimeters, cut ray LX at O. Here you are cutting at O. Next, with U as center and radius 4.5 centimeters, cut ray UY at D. Now you got points O and D. The next step, join O, D. So by this we got a square LUDO, Ludo.